Hello traders, welcome to episode 261 of TF Mid-Trade. You could be doing anything, but you're here on a Wednesday night going into Thursday, and for that I'm quite grateful, as always. Well, it seems like when I took my hiatus from the day stream to now, Bitcoin's literally done just about nothing. It hasn't really moved at all. That's cool, man, that's cool. Zoomed out view, you can see the downsloping channel that we respected so well to create ourselves a very real swing high. Haven't done much, man, right? All we did was fall below the 23% retrace, which was set 37.42. 38% retrace, 36.25. Almost hit it, right? Almost hit it. 36.39 was our lowest low since we hit that highest high. But as you can see, we've continued upsloping. Go to the 60-minute chart. And you can see that we're still holding this upsloping channel. Good for you, Bitcoin. Good for you. All right, man. Almost looks like a bear pull, bear flag of some sort, right? Hitting the 60-minute 20 MA and rejecting it. Not good. Not really good. But overall, it's still within the parameters of the equilibrium level for our candles, which is between the 50 MA and the 20 MA. We're holding that. All right, but you don't want to break this upsloping bottom trend line, which is around 3,700. Stay above it. If you do break it, you should expect to see 36.49, and then after that, 35.76. Whatever, man. It's really not. It's actually all. Yeah, it's that wick right there. It's the wick from December yesterday, right? That's what we hit. So we could expect those prices if we fall below a couple supports. This is it here, right? But no surprise, no real surprise that we have pulled back at the critical area of downside resistance. So we've had this charted for how long? How many trolls have come and gone since looking at this channel that we've had plotted? How many trolls have come and gone since we talked about bullish divergence on the 4-hour and the daily? Oh yeah, many. Oh, but where are they now? Oh wait, they're eating crow because they were wrong and they didn't know what they were doing. It's okay. It's okay. So hey man, I feel like we've treaded these waters pretty well, finding near bottom levels, finding near top levels. Okay, it's all good for now. Finding respect along the heart line of the channel. Oh my God, so many times. And uncertain at this point, right? Uncertain. We could continue up. Hey, that'd be great, man. But I just don't know how likely that is based on the impulse up, and then we're consolidating. Are we even really consolidating? I mean, what is this? I mean, you have the impulse, right? And then you break down. You have the bull pull bull flag. You get your measured move, and then you run up just a little bit higher, and then you dump, right? You sell off some at the 1618, I believe, from the high to low, near the I know Tron hit the 1618. I think this might have been the 1272. A little, yeah, we went a little bit over the 1272. Look, man, I'm sorry, but we're not going to keep up all the fibs for you when it's not relevant anymore. Okay, we're moving down now. We're retracing, so we're going to get rid of the old target fibs and put the new relevant target fibs. Right? Where are we going to retrace? We've not even made a 38% retrace, but we made it a 35 to no, it's really a 36% to 37% retrace, man. You're that close to the 382. All right, that's your first common area. Could expect a price action reversal around any of these fib nodes between 382 and 618. Okay, so 36.25, 35, 31, and 34, 37. Could turn around anywhere there, but I mean, like, look, man, do you really care, man? Look, hey, dude, this is we're looking at one small little channel. Look what happened before. Look what happened before. Look what's happening before. Hold on, man. What was that before? Highs. Higher highs. Higher. You get it, man, right? You can clearly see the trend is bearish for now. It's bearish because we're not ever making higher highs than our previous highs. They continuously decide they want to be lower highs than the previous highs. That is bearish, man. Come on. Bearish chart. Bearish patterns. Bearish trend. All right. We use the oscillators and bear trends to help us understand maybe we shouldn't go short here because we could get wrecked if we go short here because we could retrace the other, and we've retraced, right? The same thing, we call the bottom here too, man. Call the exact, oh, we got a double bottom, bullish divergence on both oscillators, and popped. Didn't quite hit the 38% retrace. We got pretty freaking close, man. Same thing here. Instead of using Bitcoin, this time we used Ripple as a trade setup because we had a higher multiplier. We could buy more Ripple and yield more gains because we could own more of Ripple than we could Bitcoin, all right? So we went with Ripple on the trade setup instead of Bitcoin. Who cares, man? Like, does it really matter? US dollar pairs, they're all going to do what Bitcoin does. If we analyze Bitcoin and understand it's exhausted, Ripple looks exhausted too on the selling. We chose Ripple, okay, because it's cents versus thousands of dollars, all right? Whatever. Anyway, man, anyway. Oh my God. What did I just walk in, man? Holy crap. Jesus. Looks like we got some angry folks in here tonight. Holy crap, man. Sorry, I've got company in town, all right? Got a pledge brother, a very dear friend of mine. I've known a very, very long time. He's in town, and you know, he's got to leave tomorrow because of work and stuff. So I'm just coming in here to do some streams. Didn't expect any kind of wow, whatever that person was screaming about, cursing about. Look, man, don't need it. Don't need it. We're sky high. We feel good. Stock market's getting shorted. Crypto market, we were longing. It's all worked out, man. It's just been so nice, man. This has just been market euphoria based on technicals, man. It's been so good. How could anyone be upset about this right now? Okay, I'm sorry. What's up, Ryan Davies, Iceberg, Jacob Schultz? So, Rimlog, man. Hey, Rimlog, dude, I got something to say to you. Okay, man. That is the sounds of my people, okay? Coffee for crypto, man. Sorry, man. No coffee for crypto tonight. No Irwin coffee tonight, but it's not your fault. It's not your coffee. It's just my beverage of choice. All right. Again, I've got peoples in town and hosting them, and that's it, dude. All right. Whatever, man. Gabriel, what's up, dude? Tomorrow's stocks go Titanic. How about the past, like, 2 months, man? It's been wonderful. It's been easy pickings, dude. Monthly bearish divergence. Give me a break, dude. Bearish and golden candle. Why are we waiting? Come on. Come on, Ryan, man. Come on, dude. Hurry, let's make a stupid lower high. How about we make the lower low first? Get a rim log. We haven't even found the swing low yet on the stock market. We hadn't yet. Hey, guess what? Apple. Dude, rim log. Apple hit the 50% retrace today. And we're talking the 50% retrace from March 2nd, 2009. Not even just some random 2016 swing low. We're talking the major swing low. The swing low. 50% retrace. We lost that much value. So crazy, man. But dude, stocks are fun, man. It's just a little, what do they call it in that movie, The Big Short? It's a gully. I've never heard that in my life until I saw that movie. It's a gully, man. What's up, MK, man? Might as well make you a mod, right? No, dude. No, MK, never, dude. All right, sorry, I'm just behind, right? What's up, JD, dude? Peace, nice. Zed Zerbs. Jamie Controller, man. 1G Project. Whew. My God, what's up, Nick Welch? Is there a head and shoulder pattern forming on the 30-minute chart? 30 minutes. Oh. Well, let's go 30-minute chart, man. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. I don't know. I mean, like, sure, dude. Sure. I guess. I mean, neckline's kind of off. and your shoulder is kind of oblong from your left shoulder. Your right shoulder is oblong from your left shoulder. Sure, your wick lines up with your candle closes over here, but sure, man, sure. How about a 30-minute bear pull, bear flag? Is that not good enough? Do we have to go with the head and shoulder pattern, man? Do we have to? Bear pull, bear flag. Let's just go with the bear pull, bear. If you're gonna be bearish, just go with the bear pull, bear flag. That's all you gotta do, man. All right. At 61% retrace, right? 60% retrace. All right. So retrace commonly. We've since found a swing high. And this is your swing high, swing high, swing. So consecutive lower highs for now. Okay. There, man. I don't know. You can call it a head and shoulders all you want, but you can call it also bear pull, bear flag. And you're still going to be fine. Still going to be okay. Holy crap, man. What's up, Lindsay Lou? Brian Griffin, man. Yes, LOND-MK, man. Roberto Santiago. Hola, man. Hola. What's up, Emma B? What's up, Cliff Martin? Jordan Miller. Oh, the SH, huh? I don't know, man. You might be FOMOing and you might be buying low, which would be in your situation selling low. The SH is shorting, you know, the S&P, right? So that's really, no, the SH is technically yeah, the SH is shorting the S&P, right? The SPX. I know we have the QDI, which is just standard shorting the Qs, and then you've got the SQs, which is a 3 times leverage short. So shorting at this point, you're obviously FOMOing into a short position, right? You understand that, right? Because we've been dumping and dumping and dumping for days. So you're just asking to get wrecked and being put in a bad position, just shorting randomly while we're selling off, right? That's never a good strategy for a trade, right? You short when you have bearish divergence on, look, you impulse down, you retrace 50% of the way, and then on that second high, hitting 50% or 62% retraces from the, when you're retracing like that, you're showing the bearish divergence, you might be showing a rising wedge, you're looking for those opportunities. You're not looking to short the stock market when we've already dumped stupid amounts of money and we're just in almost a straight line down. That is a terrible strategy for trying to short any market, okay? Even Bitcoin. It's just dumping, man. The time to just randomly short it based on no coinciding variables at all, okay? So hopefully that's helping you understand. It's just, Jordan Miller, those are things to keep your eye on and take shots. One could take their opportunities when there's lower risk, higher reward opportunity, right? We don't have that much opportunity for a short position on stock market right now unless you're just asking to FOMO in, all right? It's good for people who have open positions, but it's not good for people who are just randomly looking to make money on the stock market, all right, by shorting. So I hope that helps. You get it, man. And, we talked all about the criteria of what you should look for when you're trying to long something, inverse everything I taught you today, and that's how you short, all right? And at some point, we will go into why you should short or what you're looking for a short position. I mean, no problem. So not difficult, but I'm sorry. It's just like I just did that today. All right. Music's good. Thanks, Ryan, man. Uh-oh. Alex McKeon wants to get rid of people's. Oh, man. Scary. Who's got the conch shell? No one has the conch shell. What do you got, man? What's up, Brian Griffin? And it's gone. Wonderful South Park. Legendary episode, dude. What's up, Aunt C? Bill Battles. Hey, Sean Coons. Good to see you, dude, as always. People are getting crazy. Steven Stan, I've never seen the crazy at this level. And it might be the holidays. It honestly might be the holidays, dude. I've never seen this many crazy people. They're trying to get me, dude. It's like, how does one get one? They're trying to get me, dude. It's weird. Really weird. Pray no one ever has to be gotten like these people trying to get me. Alright. So, Chalin, man. Crypto Kyder, dude. Apple has a weak gap to fill pretty low. Oh, yeah? Dude, 50% retrace. What's up, Kryptonio? Oh, Ryan Davies is saying 85% move down from all-time highs. You're crazy if you don't buy, but why not let the prevailing trend speak for us? Why not that, man? Why not that? Why worry about how the highest percentage of losses we've taken from all-time great FOMO, crazy credit card, leveraged highs, mortgages, highs? Why worry about that and not worry about making profit when we can? All right. What's up, Chris Winsett, dude? Dirty Fergie. Wonderful seal, as always. I think Salvadee. Hey, Crypto Tiger says 95 degrees Fahrenheit in Brisbane. Good God, man. Send me down there. It's nasty, rainy, cold, wet, cloudy down here. Why does my chat keep doing... I'm about to go back to Restream, dude. I can't deal with this. It's like every 5 seconds, it just keeps moving down the bottom. So annoying. Bros before crypto hoes. Said Zerb, is that true, man? Alright. No crypto hoes here, man. Okay. Thanks, TR Fun Guy. Yeah, man. I mean, look, dude. It's just the whole reason why one would join the Patreon is to support my content creation. Right? That's literally why Patreon was created, was to support the person who's creating the content. And we provide amenities behind that to make it an incentive for you to join, right? To support me, right? With the trade setups and the education clips and stuff like that from my streams that sometimes last from just 1.5 hours to 10 hours to sometimes one time 13 hours, right? So you just never know when the education would pop up, right? Today it just randomly popped up. Okay. What's up, Cool J? Mondragon, man. Good to see you too, man. If you buy right now, you're going to have a bad time. Yeah, I mean, there's no reason to believe that a buy position, a long position is good or smart right now. There's just not. I'm sorry. Not on significant time scales that mean anything. All right. Yeah, Jordan Mill. Hey, S&P looks real bearish right now. You were going to wait for a retrace. Good idea, man. Good. Wait for a swing low and wait for a common retrace, Jordan. That's a great idea. Yes. To get into, yes. Perfect, man. Wait for it. Wait for that swing low. Don't know when we're going to get that, all right? TR Fun Guy asks, could you have ever imagined 1 year ago where you would be today? Nah, dude. Not even, like, dude, a million years, I'd have told you were crazy. If you'd have told me what was going on in my life now, from where I was 365 days ago, I'd have said you're crazy, man. I'd have said you're nuts out of your mind. All right, so, but it's all because of this community that has hoisted me up, that I'm able to have the life I have now, and it's truly humbling, and I'm truly grateful. All right, so TR Fun Guy, great question, man. What's up, Dixie? Dixie Skipper. Dave Caveman, thank you, dude. Or I know what you're pertaining to, and I appreciate that. All right. What it's pertaining to, what your thoughts are. Okay, thank you, dude. KJ, what's up, dude? Jules Santana, man. Let's play some Jesus Jams. We got Jules Santana and we got MKN here, man. Play it. Pause music. Pay respects to the Jesus people's coming. Respect, man. Respect, Hey, Gwen Savvy, man. You're very welcome, and I get a lot of fulfillment out of being a positive influence in one's life, all right? So if you're actually getting something good out of this, even if it's just a little bit, that makes me happy, man. That's like what keeps me going, dude, every day. So, do I currently have a situation? Yeah, Fogmoto, man. I got a big situation. Do you have a situation, Fogmoto, man? Let me know, dude, okay? Thanks. Yeah, going long on stocks. Good to. Hey, Jordan Miller, man, you had the great idea. Okay, wait for the selling to stop. Wait for it to stall. Wait for us to roll up to the upside and look for that retrace, and we'll look at it. Yeah,
you rock, Mitch.
And there was not a man. Thanks so much for the $9.12 Litecoin, dude. Thanks, brother, man. Much love. Litecoin sitting at $29.36. Remember when Litecoin was at over $300 per coin? You just don't understand, right? I remember like the whole way down talking crap about Litecoin. Like, why would it matter if we were down to $50, $100? Why would it matter? And people were literally talking crap, trolling. You just don't get how crypto works, man. It's not like the stock market, man. It's like, yeah, it actually kind of is. And we can kind of see based on the prices we have now that it kind of is. Yeah, it can go anywhere it wants. Ethereum can go down to $60 if it wants. Give it a couple months if it wants to, right? And nothing will change, right? Thanks, Walt Magellan, man. That's right, dude. 1 year work pays off, dude. My God, hey, you can't say I hadn't been streaming 7 days a freaking week since February. You can't say I haven't, because I definitely have, man. My God. Whew. Hey, we're not worried about when the market goes up, right, KJ, man? We're just worried about protecting people's capital in the meantime, right? And when the bull market becomes a thing, when it starts going crazy again, in maybe a couple of years, hey, I'm down for it. I love it. But in the meantime, we're here to protect people's capital, right? That's all it's about. And that's, hey, hopefully we've served our purpose this whole year, protecting people's capital. I mean, people were asking about going long at 10K when we had just reached 10K, back from 8K, 7K, and we were showing bear stuff. It's like, dude, it's just not a good idea, man. You're probably going to get wrecked. And sure enough, we dumped again, man. That divergence has been so reliable for Bitcoin, all right? So reliable. The coinciding variable has been so perfect for Bitcoin this whole year, right? It's been great. What's up, Loco is free? How do I decide to fib from the swing high to swing low, or swing low to swing high? Well, when you're in doubt, you go to the daily. Dude, again, I don't want to be redundant, but we can be redundant as we want. All right, so just, this is a perfect example. Loco, this is for you, dude. All right, hold on. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, man, we see a minor swing high, right? We see these swing highs that could be confusing. You're like, should I just fib from here? I don't know, man, right? You look at a time scale that is faster, right? Like a 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. You're gonna see all kinds of minor swing highs, right? But if you truly want to see the major swing high, where you really know, when in doubt, Loco is free. When in doubt, go to the daily. Hit the daily. When you hit the daily, you can clearly see there is no discernible swing high until we hit up here November 6th, right? Very good. There's just no argument. This is it here, all right? So swing high to swing low. That's how I plotted my fibs. Our target was 38%. 39 cents was the target for the trade setup, okay?
Is that a joint?
Another 3K today on S&P dump. Keeping these 214 puts open for sure. SPY target $241. What sort of retracement would you expect and when?
Hey, Anthony A, man. Thanks so much for the 420 contribution. Congratulations on your $3,000 profit today, man. S&P, we're looking for a retrace. When we did, you don't know. You're obviously going to be looking at some sort of support. Let's go to it. We'll go to it right after Ripple and then Ethereum. Okay, we'll look at S&P. I got on the list. We'll talk about retrace and why, right? Okay, got the questions down. We'll look at it, right? Thanks, brother, man. For the 420 is a joint contribution, right? So logo is free, man. You can clearly see there's just no other way to look at this besides the high. You can see the clear one. That's how it works. When in doubt, go to daily. That's your golden rule for Fibonacci swing high to swing lows. All right, that easy. But going back to 4 hours, since we know our real swing high, we have not seen prices above the 382 at all. Right, we're bouncing and pivoting as an area of support from late August, early September. We discussed that these are the areas you must hold. If you do not hold these, it's going to probably suck and you're probably going to sell off really hard. Fortunately, that didn't happen. We held. We've held now, past 8 hours or so, right? So trying to get back above the 200 MA. I don't know if it's going to happen. You're well above the 20 and the 50 MA. Good for you. Trying to get above the 200 MA, right? Once you're above all three of these, and really what you want to see on your simple moving average, your yellow and purple line, these 20 and 50 moving average, they want to be above the 200. You want to get a golden cross on both and have your candles hold above all three. That's how a bull run really should look, and we don't have that at all. Okay, so this was just a shorter term trade setup. Okay.
Is that a joint?
Where does shorts at? On my SQQQ in the cut where the pullback?
Yeah, man, Rimlock, yeah. We're rapper shorters, man. Yeah, dude. Pretty simple, man. Just hit the SQs, buy it, holds. And then when you start seeing bullish divergence, you add critical area support, maybe one would just exit, right? Pretty easy, man. But yeah, dude, we're in the cut, rolling SQs up. Yeah, man, fantastic. Takes the 420. Just continuing on, right? SQs, man. I don't know, man. I'm kind of feeling it tonight, alright? If y'all didn't know, Vet Moonboy came back today for the first time in like literally a month, and it was very surprising and euphoric. And my pledge brother came in town, and it's been a lot of good things, man. Like you go like your swing low with Grandma Don, and then the psycho stalker trying to extort money from you, all the way into good things, right? It's just like the swings of life are so insane, man. All right, it's been crazy emotionally the past week and a half. All right. Anyway, Ripple, congratulations on 382. That was the target. If you missed it today, we just kind of went over literally kind of what we were thinking about. This is kind of like, with this Ray guy, man, he keeps saying this guy's man, all right, whatever, dude. Yeah, whatever. Okay, this is what we were expecting. This was the mindset of the swing trader for the swing lows, right? Oh my God, man, lows, lower lows. We got bullish divergence on the MACD and the RSI on the 4 hour, but also we had it not shown, not pictured. We on the daily. On the daily, we had bullish divergence on both oscillators as well. Oh my God, dude, whatever, man. Screw TA, so fake, man. Yeah, that's so freaking fake, dude.
Can you put SQQQ on the list?
Is that a joint?
Oh, dude. I'm sorry. What'd you say? Rimlock? I'm sorry. Hold on, I can't even get this right. Wait. Hold on. What'd you say, brother man? What'd you say? That's gas. Uber ponage. Thanks, Rimlock, man, for the 420 times 2. Alright. Much bueno or something. Muy bueno. Muy bueno on Ripple. Muy bueno. It doesn't matter, man. Who cares? Okay. Anyway, let's go to Ethereum. Cool stuff, bro. Okay, man. Ethereum down sub channel. We got to the top of it. Swing high to swing low. We hit the 50% retrace, and really didn't have a candle body close above it. Not really, right? That's no. We ran up almost at the 618 on a wick, but the wick just turned into a bearish pin bar, and that signified the reversal. That is a reversal candle, the bearish pin bar. All right. Brian Davis, I know you're not talking to me, man. All right. No, you're not talking to me, dude. All right. Holy crap, man. What has happened? Let's be real here. Are we not being real, Ryan Davies? I'm sorry, man. Technical analysis is being as real as it gets, man. Real as it gets means there's no sorceress that has an answer and the crystal ball, man. We take coinciding variables, we get them, we make decisions based on them, we make trades based on them, and then we let it run, and then we wait for more pattern development, and that could take a week or two. That's as real as it gets, bro. Alright, sorry there's no magic thing, dude. Right? Jeez. He was so impatient, man. It's like, get it, man. Sorry, kind of behind on chat. Whatever. Sure thing, Jordan Miller, man. Sorry about the hopium of Charlie Lee. Love my jelly, man. It's all good, dude. Don't be so humble. This is all a good One G project, man. It's not about, dude. It's like, y'all thinking I'm so good, but it's like I'm literally learning from better minds than me and just articulating it to you. That's all I'm doing, man. Bukowski, Neeson, and them. Okay, I'm just literally, I learned from them and put it here on stream. That's all it is, man. I'm not great. Or look, people come in here, what's your trading record? What's all this? It's like, dude, why can't I just have a passion for something and stream it? What's wrong with that? Like, yeah, made money on the stock market because the market was going nuts, dude. And maybe I got some luck on my side with that, and that helped me be able to do this. Like, does it really matter in the end? Because what I'm teaching is, it's proven everywhere, man. Like, the stuff I'm teaching, go talk to technical analysts, tell them to come in here and watch this stream. Be like, yep, well, this guy's talking about divergence and coincidence. Yeah, he's right. He's right? I mean, like, you see what I'm saying, dude? It's just like, it's not me that's special. Y'all are special because y'all are like in here watching and wanting to learn. That, you understand how rare that is? The niche y'all have? The fact that y'all want to learn every single night, 7 days a week, is so special compared to, hey, you could be watching a Fortnite player or some Call of Duty player or a Warcraft player, right, on stream, right? You choose to watch a streamer that's just trying to teach you to not get wrecked, man. That's literally it, right? So, not even about being humble, 1G Project. I'm going to be humble because there are people probably much better at this than me out there in the world, okay? And I'm just happy to be here to do what I love, all right, man? This is a hobby. This is something I love doing, and have loved doing it for many years. So that's it, dude, all right? I'm just being completely honest. While my Joe says, live and learn TA, best friend along the great communities. Yeah, dude, absolutely, man. It's great. Coinciding variables, right? Learning TA and great communities. We got it here. We got that here, right? Thanks, Ezers, man. All right. Can you take a photo of my extra graphics? I don't know what that means, man. Graphics? Hey, Art Telemontes, thanks so much, man, for being here. I'm glad to hear that you're learning. All right, man, that's all it's about. Learning and investing in yourself and getting better, okay? The whole point of the show is, like, at least if you learn one thing new in this show once a night or something, right? Just picking something up, you're winning, right? Because if you go into most other streams, you're probably not going to get better, right? Most streams are meant solely, specifically for entertainment and not for getting you better as a person, right? Getting you better in something you want to do, right? Unless it's playing a video game, which, good luck making money doing that, man. Have fun with that, right? It's just, what's the point, dude? Sure thing, Loco, man. Of course, dude. Of course, dude. Alright, hold on. Let's, SPX, right? Okay, man. S&P 500 today closed at a 38% retrace from your 2016 swing lows. Holy crap, right? So from your swing low, clear discernible swing low, to your discernible swing high, we have retraced 38% of the way. 2,500. That's it. That's not that great. That's not that crazy. People are asking, hey, man, should we just go long because we're there? It's like, dude, we had the bullish divergence, and all of a sudden it's like we're showing bearish convergence from this low to this low. It's like, that's not bullish, man. You keep selling off like that. But one decent thing is you're oversold again. Haven't been oversold technically since October. And then before that, you had not been oversold early October, whatever. So, yeah, we've been oversold before, man. So, dude, I would just take this as the trend has reversed in the short term. I don't know, man. Maybe we could just plot standard channel. I still don't even know if we can, man. Really. Oh my god. It's too easy, man. It's too easy, man. Plot a channel. You can see our downsloping channel. Anchor point 1, 2, 3, and 4. That fourth touch point is at the 38% retrace. But there's not much reason to believe we would be just literally reversing tomorrow. Let's keep our eye on it. We'll see if we can. That's great. But finding the bottom isn't really the easiest thing. Look at the elevation of volume we got today. It was high, man. It was pretty freaking high. Hey, Tud Fudders, man. Thanks for the sub on YouTube, man. Thanks, dude. All right. Where can we expect to retrace? Well, between 2,500. This is the confluence area. This is why it seems more likely a good retrace. We could run down to this area. Hey, man, we could tomorrow. We just randomly start rallying. Okay, good for you. You're at the bottom of the channel. You realize you could run so high, 2,700, the top of the channel, 2,680, and then dump again, right? You're at the bottom of the channel, man. At the bottom of the channel. We could also just keep on selling all the way down here. Confluence area. We have multiple confluence zones, all right? Multiple. And that's 10, man. That's the line you did, man. That's man. That's it. All right. We have your confluence zones highlighted, okay? This seems like the most likely support. And one after that's 2070, and then after that's 1539, 1500. Okay, so we've all got them shown on screen. Look, man, talking about a almost 10-year long uptrend. 10 years, dude. 10 years. All right, enjoy going long when market cycles on average last about 7 years. So, all right, man, we're trying to make the divergence, and it's just really getting invalidated a little bit. I mean, from this low to this low, sure, man, you got some bullish divergence, sure. I would love to keep our eye on the S&P 500 based on the 38% retrace. You're finally getting into common retrace areas from your a reasonable swing low from 2016. Okay, that's literally it, man. We got the SQs, whatever, man. It's not really like that great, man. Chris wants it, man. Oh my god. Oh, it feels so good.
Feet ain't doing things.
Do whatever Sylvia Killick says to do. Wow.
Chris wants it. What? What does that mean? I'm a little confused. Anyone? Bueller? Because of me, you sat and spoke with your boss about TA for half an hour? Hey, Sylvia, that's, I mean, that could be good, right? Hopefully it's not derailing productivity with your business, your bosses and your business, man. That's not what I want at all. That's not what I want, okay? I don't want people watching me at work because that's going to take away from their productivity, from them and their business. I don't want that. I want you to be able to watch me in your leisure time, okay, so it doesn't hurt your job performance, all right? So, and I don't want it to hurt your boss's job performance. I'm not being weird, okay? I'm just saying good things. I only want positivity, right? Good things in your life. But maybe y'all have met quota, maybe your orders are out on time, and you have plenty of time. I'm sure, maybe, hopefully that's what's the case, right? It's near Christmas. I get that too. Everything's lax. Some things are lax around Christmas, especially sales, man. Sales, good luck getting in front of the decision maker during Christmas time or around Christmas time. They're all going to lie to you anyway, right? I get you, man. So about Greg H, dude. P. Miller, man. What's up, dude? Okay. On the list, dude. On the list. You need to learn how to not drink because that might make you trade differently. Yeah, maybe so, Lee P, man. Maybe so. Marcus Young, dude. What's up, dude? Yeah, OMG's dumpster fire, man. Dumpster fire. Oh my God. Looked at it a billion times, actually. And also the School of Fib retraces. What happened, Johnny Bull, man? What does it do? I don't even know, man. Sir Newton, good to see you, Mr. Maple, man. Good to see you, dude. Hey, it's weird looking at the YouTube chat. I actually get to see the logo, y'all's logos, which is interesting, all right? Because guess what? Restream past year, haven't been looking at people's logos. Okay, you'd think I probably was looking at them. I'm not ever seeing your logos until now. Weird. Fazan King is coming back, dude. It's coming back. Don't worry about it, man. We're dealing with a psycho. Dealing with a crazy psycho, man. Trying to extort money from me, all right? Found out all my personal information. Cell phone number, everything, dude, okay? Just dealing with that, Fazan King. So, we'll be back. We'll be back soon, all right? Just hang tight. Thanks, Nicholas, for bot, man. Well, that's the same thing, man. If you're literally buying the SQs or the QDI or the SH, you're literally shorting Jordan Miller. So you can use it on Robinhood. Why do you think that's not as good, all right? You're saying, Ryan Davis saying, sorry, Mitch, I love you, bro. I'm passionate about Bitcoin, and I think the potential for gains at this price is crazy. Hey, that's fine, man. Just remember, do you think I'm the one like timing people out? Dude, I'm streaming. Okay, so don't apologize to me, man, because we're good. Like, but if you don't want to get timed out or banned or whatever, just think about the community that exists. All right, the community, they create and augment the chat. All right, if they don't like what you're saying, if they think you're being too forward or too whatever, they're gonna take actions. I'm just gonna stream, okay? So you can't hate me, all right? But I give them the authority to do their thing, all right, man? So don't. I get you, man. I get you. Thank you. How's Bitcoin looking? Supports. We held a support. We held a support at 36.46. That was 100% retrace. That was that December 9th high. We bounced and now we're continuing to run, but it seems like we might just be retracing normally, like just a standard retrace, 60-minute chart from the high to low, 38% retrace, whatever, man. You're trying to be bullishly engulf on the 60-minute chart. Truly. Where are my 4-hour charts, man? Okay, yeah, I get you. 3 hours on the 4-hour. There. Doesn't matter. Vegas or bust for New Year's, Mr. Miller, man. Sorry, dude. The Vegas trip was scheduled for 10,000 subs. We made it just a decent number, and I don't think we'll be getting there anytime. We might not even get there in 2019, man. 10,000 subs, give me a break, dude. All right. All good, Fazan King. All good. Thanks, Timothy L, dude. Oh yeah, they're short-term positions. They're not like long-term. Jordan. What's up, Nestin? You say new here. You think it's do you think it's good to invest in XRP and Tron Connect right now? What are my thoughts? No, probably not the best idea. And investing is the wrong term to use. You say, hey, should I take a position in Tron Connect or XRP? Because I'm sorry, man, but crypto is gambling. Okay, crypto is gambling. It's not investing. I'm sorry. There's no balance sheet. There's no profit earnings. There's no earnings per coin. Okay, there's no mathematical way they can show you that they're gonna make you money back. They don't have to. There's no SEC that exists. Okay, that makes them legally report quarterly earning reports. You understand? So it's not investing. It's gambling. So you're saying, hey, should I gamble in XRP or Tron Connect right now? Probably not, based on technicals where we just exited, well, we just took profit on XRP trade setup, 38% retrace. Tron Connect, my God, man, hit the 1618 on a rising wedge. Probably not a good idea right now. Probably not. One would not want to take an opportunity because there isn't much one. It doesn't make sense. There's no variables, coinciding variables that would make you want to think about going literally long on Ripple or Tron Connect right now. Okay. Darn man. Not to be cynical or whatever aggressiveness, Tim, man, but I do care about the money you make, and it's good for you to not lose it, okay? I care about you preserving capital, because it just did crypto money grab phase. Okay, money grab phase. People spend millions upon millions of dollars. All these S coins spend millions of dollars from venture capitalists. The seed money the venture capitalists give to these scrubby cryptos. Then those cryptos, the developers, they have a budget. They spend a lot of it, most of it on marketing. Then the marketing says, hey man, we're going to find ways to make people get into our S coins, especially before they ICO. And then we're going to pump this thing so hard. And then more people will get into it because they heard about it because of marketing. And then the insiders dump on the heads of everyone else. And then you're left holding the bag while the insiders and developers made crazy amounts of money and they don't care about what happens next, man. I'm sorry. You can think that's not true, but you're wrong. That's literally how it's worked. This whole crypto world has worked that way so far. Most of it, okay. Dude, 2,000 plus coins, man. Nah, dude, no. Ray hates crypto. No, I hate the leadership of crypto for the most part so far. It's been terrible. It's been terrible. And then we're not going to talk about Charlie Lee and what he did and Roger Ver and Craig Wright. We're not going to talk about those freaking scammers, okay, man? We're not talking about those psychos. We're talking about most of the other crypto no-name scrubs. All right, man. It's gambling, not investing. Anyway, hate me all you want. That's fine. Got plenty of haters, dude. Just add them to the bucket. You are the one who unhides. You are the one that knocks. Magic the Crackening, man. True, man. Sure thing, Nest 10, man. Anytime, dude. Daring Nareen says, hey, Mitch, tuning in regularly to your shows. Your streams amaze me. They're just trade setups on our Patreon, whatever. This scrolling thing. This is my website, mitchrayta.com, but then watch this. Boom. Patreon.com/LordRay is a way you support me and the team. And we incentivize you with amenities like some trade setups and education and such. Discord exclusivity, stuff like that. Right? So, there you go, Lindsay Lou. Oof. Yeah, we looked at waves earlier, Greg H, man. It's just gone. No, stratosphere, man. Stratosphere. All right. Crypto world is full of love and unicorns. Yeah, it was, right? Until it all got exposed. Okay. For sure, Neston. Hopefully I gave you maybe a different perspective. Hopefully you got that, dude. All right. So. Futures are down on the S&P 500, baby. Yeah. Let's go, MK, man. The SQs, let's go. Sucks, man, but come on. We've reversed our trend to the downside. Monthly bearish divergence. Bearish engulfing candle. Receding volume. Oh, dude, no, man. That's not enough. MK, man. That's just not enough. Not enough variables to make us believe we might be screwed on the stock market for the short term or midterm. All right, sorry. Thanks, Matt Carl, man. Yeah, dude. I mean, look, man. It's just these people that are creating these ICOs. I'm sorry, the majority of them, they don't have your best interests in mind. Okay. They don't even have their own best interests in mind. They don't care. They know how it works. A lot of them started doing it because they saw they were started exploiting. Holy crap. So many people were buying into that crap. Let's do that, man. Let's emulate what those scammers were doing and we'll do it ourselves. Yeah, dude. Great idea, man. Let's do this thing all year, all 2017 that was going on, dude. Oh my God. And then the tribalism effect from the people who had never participated in traditional markets were getting into crypto, just seeing charts. You know, hey man, this chart looks like Apple or something. Hey man, they're all on the chart. Let's go, man. All in, dude. Screw revenue and screw price to earnings. Screw all that. We're just going to go straight up on the chart, dude. And that's all they cared about. They didn't care about, oh, man, changing the world, dude, with the technology. They didn't care about that, man. They cared about their stupid gains, and that was it, okay? So, all right, man, most people don't care about the use case of Bitcoin and crypto in the future. Most don't, man. Most are lying, and most cared about the gains. And there's nothing wrong with greed, because greed is definitely a subjective view of what you think is right? Okay, I want to make money for myself and my family. Okay, is that really bad? No, it's not really, but the right people know how to manipulate your mind to believe that you're going to make a lot of money. Hey, it sure worked, didn't it? Wealth distribution. I'm sure tons of Americans got screwed hard out of a lot of money. And it went other places, okay, when this whole dump happened. Just saying, man. The IPOs that came out of that market are just like ICOs. Of course. Hey, what about Snapchat, man? Oh yeah, Snapchat, baby. Let's go all in on Snapchat, man. January 2 years ago, I think. What's my gut instinct on the next long entry, Mark Potter, dude? Gut instinct. That's not really how it works in crypto, or really in charts. You look for coinciding variables on multiple time scales. Dude, if we want to, let's do it real quick. We'll go over it again, all right? If you missed out, you won't have to ask me anymore, right? You won't have to ask me, dude. Here's a question. Here's the sun rising. Here comes the horizon. The sun, dude. Here it comes. What do we look for? What do we look for when going long, ladies and gentlemen? If you missed today's stream, I'm sorry, but we're going to do it one more time. I'm sorry, all right? I shouldn't. I really shouldn't do this again, okay? It just doesn't make sense. We're clipping it for the patrons. We're looking out here, I guess, right? What do you look for when going long? Bullish macro. Bullish macro, meaning like, hey, if we're in crypto and we're trying to trade some random S coin like Verge or QKC, all these scrub coins, right? Quash coin, titty coin. We just randomly pick up one of my E&J coin, Dogecoin, ONT, dude, anything. You want to make sure that the macro is bullish, meaning Bitcoin is a major index for crypto. It's pretty much like the S&P, right? When Bitcoin sucks, everything else sucks, right? Okay, same thing with the S&P. S&P sucks, everything else is going to suck, even if they're doing well. Okay, bullish macro is what you're looking for in a long position. It doesn't always happen. The asset is bullish. What you're looking at isn't a bullish trend. You're looking for bullishness, right? You're not looking for something that just looks like from open down like that. You don't want to look for that. That's terrible, dude. Asking to get destroyed. Make sure what you're looking at is in an uptrend historically. Stocks, currency, we have a higher chance of being historically in an uptrend. But with crypto, most of the scrubs, the loser scrub coins showed up last year. They're all a bunch of whatever, man. Who cares? Crypto's new, man. It's really new. Like, most of it's new. All right. So what are we looking for? Criteria for going long. Let's make sure we're at critical areas of support. Look left, dude. Look left. Are we at critical support levels? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Horizontal line support. What else do we want? We want bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on the MACD and or RSI, right? We want lower prices with higher levels of relative strength, lower levels of negative momentum. That's what we're looking for. Divergence. Preferably both, right? One or the other, sure, that it can work out all the time with just one or the other, but having both is unreal, dude. It's sweet spot, dude. What else do you want? You want a bullish pattern. You want a falling wedge, ascending triangle. All right. You want a pattern to develop, and you want to break out of that pattern bullishly. That's most important, right? What else do you want? When you're making lower lows on price and previous lows, you want to see receding volume. You want the volume on lower prices to recede. You want lower level, look, lower prices, lower levels of volume. That's what weaker selling, less people inclined to keep selling this thing. Okay, that's a good indicator. What else do you want? You want to time scale hop. Hop through your time scales. 4-hour chart, daily chart. Here's a daily, man. The daily had MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence at critical areas of support, horizontal line support. And we busted out. Look at that, man. Go to the 4-hour. We had bullish divergence on both oscillators. We had so many coinciding variables on both significant time scales. You get it, man? But oh my God, what is happening? Good God. That's it, man. All right, these are the things you're looking for when you're trying to go long. All right? What? So annoying. Here it is. Read it, ingest it, day stream, night stream. You both get the benefit of this education. Take it in. All right, screenshot it, love it, whatever. Don't steal it though. Come on, man. Don't steal it and try to like make it your own. Just this is stuff off the top of my brain when I typed this today in the day stream. Okay, all right, man. Whatever. But if you enjoy the education, hit the like button, the bell, the sub. Thanks. Anyway, I've missed a lot of chat. Get it? It makes sense, right? It's raining again? Good God, man. Yeah, local on the 8s, missed that. Local on the lates. Some of them have really kind hearts, though, Nicholas. But yes, they do. The leadership, man, they're so nice, man. I'm gonna start layering into View at $175 because it just feels like the right number, man. Give me a break. These FOMO scrubs, man. But the white paper, I believe, Gustavo, man. Yeah, passionate, not angry. Yeah, there you go, dude. There you go. You'll never get invited to invest in a company that is probably. Yeah, it certainly has good point, dude. All right, good point, dude. Zachary.
Education, education, education. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Thanks for all the teaching and wise words, Lord Ray. You are really the man, brother. Thank you for everything. Keep doing things.
That's your living, man. Thank you for all the ongoing support, dude. Seriously. You're deep, man. You're deep with this culture, man. It's true, though, man. Investing in yourself, like, every day. And what stream you gonna go to where you can invest in yourself every day just by hanging out, right? How you gonna do it, man? Asalia, Aragulu. That's all my father. Tabanyota. That's it. Sweet, man. Sanford of Nas, no telling, man. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's going to continue 9,000. Probably has something to do with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin keeps doing well. Probably going to do well, man. All right. Bullish engulfing candle on the daily. The divergence at critical areas of support. Come on. Coinciding variables, man. Patrick King, glad to hear you wrote that down, dude. Rain, it's snowing, and minus 15 degrees Celsius outside. My God, sir. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm much more southerly than you, though. I'm certain of that. God, you probably having to worry about White Walkers with Larley, okay, man? I'm sorry for both of y'all. The white paper religion, Emma. Yes, yes. Soberly entertaining. That's right. Surf Fishing Alabama, man. That's right. You'll never see that again, though. Maybe, probably. Dude, they're like serious gusts going on, man. I can feel my house like I'm on a mountain. I live like literally on a mountain, and it's just like you can hear the wind hitting my house. It's eerie. All right, up here, I like like offices upstairs and stuff. It's just nuts. 63 million shares short and 38 million long. MK man, hey dude, is it any wonder, dude? I mean, come on, dude. Imagine if you held, you'd have gotten wrecked. All right, that's it. Hey, Crypto SB man. Thanks for the 10 XRP, man. Much appreciated. Much love, dude. Thank you. I keep hearing these creaks, and it's freaking me out a little bit. All right, just saying. Hold on, just give me a second. Weird, dude. So the wind's literally coming this way. No wonder I'm hearing so much wind. It's literally going north. So it's just hitting my house like straight on. Okay. That makes sense. Because it's very rare. I don't see that kind of wind action. Okay, it's normally like coming northeast, and it's just coming straight up north now. All right. It's just so trippy, dude. If y'all are here right now, y'all be like doing the same thing I'm doing. Like, you'd be like, what is this noise? It keeps coming up. And I'm not ADD. I'm just like, you just don't hear noises like this very often. Like, okay, let's move on. Let's try to move on anyway. Completely distracted by this noise. I thought I charted this, dude. P. Miller. Could have sworn I charted this, dude. I think you're like, yeah, man, I think you charted this too, man. Dude, dumpster fire keeps selling, man. It's so trash. Hey, but we was gonna be kings, P. Miller, man. Holy crap, man. Here though, right, P. Miller, man? Interesting, right, man? Where we have sure since broken out to the upside, false breakout, and dumped to the bottom trend line. Just anchor for 1 and 2 and 3. It's all pretty simple. It ran up, and I think you had this little miniature scrub trend, velocity trend. And have since dumped, right? Alright, man, so it'll be good, man. We're gonna do it. We're gonna be kings, man. Together, we're gonna be kings. But who cares, man? Like, really, who cares? This thing's so bearish. High to low. 61 point. P. Miller, man, please tell me that you believe in fibs. I know you believe in fibs, man. The Church of Fibs, the Church of Fibonacci, where you can clearly see that we hit a 61.8% retrace, literally like to Jesus, man. We decided, hey, man, we've hit it. The golden retrace. It is time to get destroyed. Boom. Tanked so hard we didn't even know what hit us, right? All right. Come on, dude. It would break it. And here's the thing, like, look. High on price, higher high on price, higher high on price, highest high on price. Just pretty much like that. And sometimes that happens, man, where you'll have the bearish divergence hit, and then you'll have one little invalidation of the divergence. You'll break the trend line, and then you'll dump after that, right? Just to freak people out, scare them enough to not to go short or to get stopped out or whatever. And then it just dumps like a freaking ton of bricks. All right, so this is oil, man. This is USO, the oil fund. we really need to go to the weekly and try to plot something bearish? Because this is all you really need to know right there. Okay. It looks like a stupid bear pole, bear flag. Some shape, form, capacity, all right? Who cares? Dude, P. Miller, this is so bad. Here's the global financial crisis. Here's the oil glut, dude. So global financial crisis and the oil glut, and nothing good since, I mean, we've had nothing. No good. Oh my God, oil's going to be kangs, man. It's cyclical, dude. It's cyclical. Really? Where are the cycles, man? This chart's been around since 2006. All right, dude. No cycles here. No cycles. We're talking 12 years of dumpster fires. All right. I guess the cycle was the pump leading up to the crash, but just pick some random stock, 2007, and you're going to do the same stupid thing, all right? All right. Seriously, man. Dumpster fire. Wow. Dang, dude, been live for an hour and 11 minutes now. Remember to hit that like button, that bell, the sub if you're enjoying the programming or something, man. Okay, whatever it is. It's a beautiful night in the desert, right at freezing, clear sky, full of stars, and many other things too in the desert, right? It's not just, there are a lot of nocturnal creatures in the desert that William Battison will talk about, right? Tell us about the what is it? The tarantula wasp. Holy crap! Is that what it's called? The tarantula wasp. It preys on tarantulas. Jeez, man, I'm sorry. I don't want to go into zoology, okay, with bugs and stuff, but I love zoology, man. All right. Anyway, Bitcoin's in the twilight zone, Randall. Oh, really, man? It's just making a scrubby, failed rally, like a low-volume scrub rally after making a high, and now you're making a lower high. It seems like you're gonna make a lower high, dude. It just doesn't seem like. The price action we're showing on this rally is pathetic, and it seems like we'd probably be making lower prices. That's what it looks like on the chart. All right, that's all I'm going to say, man. Yeah, no, gas prices are outrageously high in California, USA. Yeah, of course not, man. Dude, that's a big scam racket right there, man. Dude, the prices might be on oil might be dumping, but guess what? Gas tanks, sorry, dude. You're the consumer. You're the one gonna get screwed, man. All right. I'm not gonna lower prices for you. Screw you. You're the consumer. I'm not worried about you, because you'll pay anything because you're a consumer. Get wrecked, dude. That's literally their mentality. I'm sorry. Now that's divergent. That sounds like a CD player. CD from the 90s, right? Now that's what I call music. Now that's what I call divergence. All right. It's true, man. It's true. Shorting at people are excellent, man. Excellent. Well, now just know, man. You got this low. You're at the bottom trend line of the channel, so just be careful there, right? I said zoology, right? Yeah, of course, Mr. Spinman, zoology, man. What's up with dude? I guess people would say zoology, no, zoology, all right? Is that true? You're enjoying the festivities? All for you, dude, all right? Merry Christmas, man. Most people like saying it like zoology. Well, that's incorrect, okay? Improper. Actually, for zoology, man, dude, awards day, got the zoology award, all right, man? Kings. Those are topic, dude. Not many good stocks to pick, Claudio. Not many, like, dude, it's just not a good idea to be stock picking in bearish markets, all right? That's what you were looking for. Okay, so you're looking for the worst performers, and if you're looking for a bearish market, you're looking for the worst performers, and those you're looking for the nice retraces so you can short them because they're underperforming the market in bearish times. All right, that's a Wyckoff thing, man. What chart are you looking at, MK man, for U.S. oil, man? 786 from 2016 low. But we got another swing low before that, though, right? We have a major swing low before that. They're right here, dude. Right. We would go with this low. Clear swing low. So yeah. Close the 886 here, right? So 88% retrace in between the 78 and 88% retrace. No big deal. Look at the volume that picked up them. Good God, elevated levels of volume on the selling pressure. Just bad. I mean, if we get a retrace, it's going to be right around this area. That's it. And it's not going to have anything to do with much of bullish divergence. It's going to be us at a critical area of upsloping support. That's about it, right? And that's not coinciding variables we're looking for, is it? Not the best ideal situation for making a trade. We're looking around the markets for a bunch of coinciding variables, right? So if you're learning anything from this, you can help me. You can be like, hey Ray, I see bullish divergence on both oscillators at a critical support with a falling wedge pattern, with receding volume. That's what we're looking for. We're not looking for one variable, right? We're looking for as many variables as we can find, right? As a team in this community, we're looking for this all together. So the whole point of the coin request show at the beginning was coin requests, but we're gateway drugging you into traditional markets. And then we start looking for, when you're scanning the charts looking for the stuff that I teach, right? The coinciding variables. And then you're like, hey man, I request this coin or this chart, this stock asset, because it has a bunch of coinciding variables. And then we look at it, analyze it together, and it's like, oh my God, yeah, dude, this looks perfect. It's not, the whole coin request or request show was not about, let's just beat our heads against the wall for Verge and Tron Connect every single day for a year and get nothing out of it. It's teaching you to invest in yourself so you know what to look for, so then you can scan the charts with me and we can find things together. That's what it's all been about this whole year, man. Anyway, whatever. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. You just learned that you've been saying zoology. Get wrecked, variable guys. Zoology, yes. It's proper. The local on the 8s. Okay, dude. Local on the lades. Sponsored by your butt. That's it, dude. All right. Whew. Anyway. Dumpster fire. Yeah, baby. As you can see on the chart, not really happening, man. Nothing really going on, right? Just hitting the top of the channel and then selling off, rejecting it near the 200 MA. Impulse down, and now we're trying to climb up on very, very little volume, like nothing. Would be surprised to see us break this downsloping resistance. Would be surprised to see us break this 200 moving average. All right, it would be extreme. All right, I just MK's fibs and probes fibs from high to low. We hit the 618. What do you want, man? From that previous high to low, what do you even care about, man? You've hit the golden retrace literally perfectly to the dollar and cent. You're probably not going much higher. I mean, like, if you do, that will be extremely surprising, and it will be awesome to see, man. I'd love it to happen. I love when Bitcoin breaks to the upside, man. It makes higher prices. Always, man. I want to see people who are long on crypto do well, okay? But for those who are maybe not deep long term, I want to at least protect them from making irrational decisions based on emotions. Okay. So. Yeah, Ryan Davies, absolutely, man. Trunk and Ned, Cyan Wolf, exactly, dude. Hey, DJ Joe Public, man, love you too, man. Love you too, man. No, dude, yeah, we definitely bounced off the 200 week moving average. Certainly we did, man. All right. So we did. Okay, dude, but understand the context of the situation is what in the... We are extremely bearish, man. An extremely bearish trend at the top of the down 7 channel. What more could you ask for? Alright. Good XRP. Similar stuff. Price action, that is, right? Perfect trade setup. Perfect trade setup. The perfect swing trade, right? The perfect swing trade. How could you even argue? Well, I don't know, Ray. I don't know, man. I just don't think or believe in bullish divergence on both oscillators, on not only the 4-hour but the daily. I don't believe in this. Okay, you don't believe in it. Good for you, dude. I don't really care. Right? Good for you. Go do the way you do it. Right? Not believing in RSI and MACD divergence. That's fine. No one cares. Right? So, XRP, man, hitting the 382, hitting our target, hitting our primary target. That was it, dude. Kangs. All right. Kangs. Okay. Showed a little bit of divergence. High on price, higher on price, lower levels, positive momentum. We've since sold off since then, but staying above the 20 MA. Staying above the support back from early September, late August. Staying above that area, right? I'd like to see us hold here and rally. That'd be awesome. We could hit the secondary target of 42.5 cents. Don't know if we're going to get there, but a secondary target's always that windfall you're looking for, right? Be awesome. Harry Paper, I'm glad you're enjoying the Christmas theme, man. Oh, dude, what's going on with that crap in the background? Hold on. What? What's up with that, dude? It's like broken. Okay, let's see if it loops, man. It's like broken. It's really kind of like what? It's working now, I guess. You notice the fire in the fireplace back behind you in chat? It stopped working. Like, that's weird. Anyway. Often imitated, never duplicated. Well, you know, imitated, trying to duplicate, right? The intentionality of duplication. Cover crypto is very real and serious, and it happens, and it sucks too. $589 posse in effect. Greg Morgan, what's up, dude? Yeah, Chuck Norris guarding the 200-week moving average, dude. Seriously. Okay, anyway, we can go to Ethereum, I guess, right? And then we can just call it a day. Call it a day, man. All right. Been live for an hour and 24 minutes. What more do you want? All right. What it feels like Sauron himself is trying to get into my house, man. Super eerie. Alright, man. Down 7 channel. You tried to break out, you failed. High to low. You hit the 50% retrace and never really had a candle body close above it. Not really. And have since sold off back inside the channel. Weird thing about Ethereum, different about Ripple and Bitcoin, is you had literally no bearish divergence unless you talk about this high to this high. Lower levels of positive momentum, or excuse me, relative strength, RSI, sorry. Just a little slight amount of bearish divergence, just a little bit. All right. Anyway, that's Ethereum. We have failed to break the 200 MA. We have failed to break the 200 MA not only on Ripple, we have not broken the 200 MA. We've tried to break the 200 MA and failed on Litecoin. Have not broken the 200 MA on XLM. Have not broken the 200 MA on Ethereum, man. Like nothing. Absolutely nothing. All right. So whatever. Okay. So anyway, doesn't matter. I'll be back tomorrow, right? Hope you all had a good time. I know I did. Reiterating education and stuff. Thanks so much for the contributions, the love, support, the likes, the subs, the dislikes, haters, lovers. Doesn't matter. We'll be back tomorrow. Till next time. Respect. T. A.